Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. How to turn orange peel into jam at home. This video gives a new delicious jam recipe that you can learn in detail. Orange peel is an aromatic delicious ingredient. How to get rid of the bitter taste in orange peel. When you learn this, you can try to make lemon jam. The ingredients needed are 3 oranges, I would say the oranges are a little big. Sugar and lemon juice will be used. Needle and thread. Wash the oranges first. Wipe dry with a towel. After making sure that the outside of the oranges is clean, cut the peels off. Since we will use the juice of the oranges later, you can put it in the gray cupboard. Cut off the shells, shrink them a little. In fact, your job will be easier if you do it without cutting the peels. You can chop them after acid extraction. I did it this way because it was my first try. As mentioned in the video introduction, it is necessary to get rid of the bitterness of the orange peel in order to make jam. I know this acid is flammable, also if you spray the inflated balloon like this you will see the balloon burst. Prepare a needle and thread. Twist the orange peels so that some of the acid comes out. In this way, we will not be completely saved, there are more actions to be taken. You can twist the shells and attach them to the thread with the help of a needle. It is difficult to bend the short ones of the shells. You can solve this problem by cutting the shells a little longer. You can solve this problem by cutting the shells and thinning them a little. Add the orange peels in a bowl. Wash with lukewarm water. Prepare plenty of salt water. Add salt water. Put a plate on it so that it stays in the water. Leave it like this for 1 day. Press the peels. You can enjoy the bitter taste this way. Pour off the water and wash the shells again. Prepare brine again, add and wait one more day. Change the water again on the second day. Prepare brine for the last time, add it and wait one more day. This process was repeated for a total of 3 days and the orange peels became edible. On the third day, press and wash the orange peels thoroughly. You need to make sure that the taste is good. Remove the orange peels from the string. Chop the orange peels a little finer. Check the weight of the orange peels. It will be good to know for the weight of the sugar you will add. Since there is 400 grams of orange peel, considering that 400 grams of orange juice is added, it will be necessary to add 600 or 800 grams of sugar in total. Prepare boiling water and add to the orange peels. Wash the peels with boiling water. Prepare the orange juice. Add the orange juice to the pot, add the orange peels. Cook the orange peels. You can get better results if you do this in a pressure cooker. You may need to cook for more than 1 hour in a regular pot. Add some lemon juice to half a glass of water. Add lemon juice. Make sure the orange peels are fully cooked and soft. You can use lemon salt. Add sugar. Boil for about half an hour until it becomes jam-like. Do not apply high heat. Add to glass jars. Add the glass jars to the pot and add water. Continue cooking the orange peels in this way. Follow this process for at least 4 hours, then wait for the jams to cool before serving. It has a really great aroma and great flavor. Make sure the bitter taste in the crust is gone and cook the crusts well. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.